Loss of hearing, loss of sound. I hear the air being flown through the vents upstairs. I hear that little bird on the outside there. Oh, yes. Tweet, tweet, tweet. It's looking for food. I hear the elevator come up. I hear doors slam. My hearing is, but it's still there. I can still hear. I can hear my voice. Oh, well, funny, yes, I can hear my voice. I know other people who can't hear. They're old. They kind of like ruined their hearing. They went to war. Oh, I had muffle like this. Oh, but they can't hear. And thousands of Americans who came back from the front can't hear.